Hi, everybody. My name is Sheila. I work for the Government of Canada as a Senior Trade Officer, and I'm in charge of the Information and Communications Technology sector in Brazil. After more than 10 years bringing Canadian technology companies to take part in Futurecom, this year the event became virtual and we had to adapt to this new situation. That's why this year we are bringing a virtual Canadian mission to Brazil composed by 26 companies and all of them focused on digital transformation. Each of these companies will meet with potential clients and potential partners between October 19th and October 23rd. I will interview each of them in the next days, and if you also want to meet with them, let me know by email or through a message in LinkedIn, and if there is mutual interest, we will schedule a virtual meeting for you with the company chosen by you. So today, our guest is Thomas from Pleasant Solutions. Hi, Thomas. Thanks for joining us today.
Hi, thank you for having me, Sheila.
It's a pleasure. Thomas, can you please let us know what is so great about Pleasant Solutions and what is the big differentiator that it has?
So Pleasant Solutions has been in various IT sector products, such as password management, and we have global footprint for many of those products. And we've created a newer product called Webifier, which is particularly good at letting people build their own web applications without having to rely on software programmers or to learn programming at all. And so some of the programs that you'd be able to do, you could build an inventory system, you could build a quoting system, and it's fully web-based, multi-user, just like something that you would hire a programmer to build. Even in some cases, you could build an entire accounting system out of it, completely custom with no programming. And we provide the server, the plugins, and the way you build the applications is almost like you are building a spreadsheet. It looks very much like a spreadsheet and you build it that way, but it has all the features that you would expect for software. It has notification systems, mapping, visualizations, data input, logging of all of the events that have happened, notification windows, and all that wonderful stuff that makes software very, very powerful. We're particularly interested in the Brazil market because we find that a lot of the off-the-shelf software does not really target some of the needs of countries outside of North America. And so the Brazilian market, we find, has a lot of users of Excel and spreadsheets. And that really comes with a lot of limitations. Even if you use something like Google Sheets, it has very limited multi-user support to actually create very consistent data and reporting and notifications. It's very limited to use spreadsheets. But a lot of companies have staff that depends on spreadsheets because there's no off-the-shelf solution that is custom to what they want to do. So off-the-shelf is not really an option. At the same time, to just use spreadsheets is not an ideal option as well. And so this is the middle ground. This allows you to do much more than a spreadsheet could, but at the same time be much more custom than off the shelf can be. And the cost is very minimal. And so we're hoping to find companies that and or partners that can target companies that have more than 500 employees that are office staff, and they'll know without having to think about it a lot whether their staff is using Excel or Google Sheets or anything like that quite a bit. If they are, this is a tool that would allow them to do a lot more and have more consistent information, and it's all fully web-based, so there's no installation required.
Wow, this seems really great. Just by hearing you, it makes me curious and willing to make use of it. So, well, thanks a lot for your answer, Thomas. It was great hearing about your solutions. We really hope that you will have great virtual business meetings in the next couple of weeks. So that's it for Pleasant Solutions today. Other interviews will come very soon, so stay tuned.
Thank you.
Thank you.